Okay guys, so we're back with the second video. Like I said, I have my Surface Pro 6 here from 2019, and I have the Surface Duo here, right? So this is basically an accessory. Now I want to show you guys this is turned off, right? It's off. I have, you go to the peak feature, it's turned off. It's locked, all right? Now, there's an app that's called Link to Windows, and it's on, I think, a lot of Android phones. I don't have a whole bunch right now. I know it's on my Samsung devices, whether it's the Z Flip or the S21 Ultra, and I know it's on this phone. It's native to those phones. Now, other Android phones that are mid-tier or lower end, budget end, I don't know if they have the app Link to Windows on there, but you will see this app right here. It looks like a little phone, and I think you can go to the App Store and download it. But basically, I already have it linked up to this. So basically what it's going to do is cast the screen of your phone onto your laptop. Now, this is not just for the Duo. This will work, like I said, with my S21 Ultra, the Z Flip. It worked with my Pixel. So I think you can just download the app and do this, all right? But for those of you who are looking to use it for more than just, it's sitting to the side, there might have been something on there you're working on. As you can see, I pulled up for my pen to enter to open up the screen. Now the phone is still closed. I open up everything. This is what the phone looks like right now. Like if I go to my notifications, let me see, refresh. It's gonna show, okay, I have no notifications right now. I could go to photos. I could go to messages. There are none because there's no phone service. I could even make a phone call if there was phone service. I could connect to the phone over here, dial, and make phone calls. But let's go to the screen. So I wanted to show you guys this because someone asked about, will it work on a Microsoft computer? Well, this is just not native to this device. You can do this with pretty much, I think, any Android. I'm not 100% on that. I know with Samsung flagships, the Pixel flagship, and the Duo, not a problem. I could even do it on my iPhone if I choose to. It gives you a QR code once you download the app, and then you just connect this wirelessly to your laptop, and you're able to go through and do everything. It works the same way as if it was open. The same thing I showed you guys earlier with all these different tasks and everything you can do. You can close it back. You can access Google. You can watch a video. And also, just so you guys know how you have some people sometimes that are nosy you have over to your place and they want to check out your device. Just give it to them and walk away and see what they do. So now I wanted to show you that it'll mirror exactly what's on the screen. So if somebody goes through and they're watching it, they flip back through or whatever. Now there is a little bit of a delay, right? So say they flip through and they like, you know what? I want to watch some YouTube. Now I'm controlling this again with the laptop. So they want to watch YouTube. All right, so YouTube is right here. Open up YouTube. Let's go to my channel on YouTube. I'm just giving you an example. So they in, like if you got kids or whatever and they trying to watch whatever. Let's pull up a video of mine, the Maverick video, right? It'll still play over here on the phone, but you're seeing exactly what they see. The difference though is if you span it, while it's split on that side, it's not split on the computer. Like if you go to full screen, you get that view full screen, and you can change the resolution. Right, it was on 720p, so I upscaled it to 1440p. Now say I'm done with whatever this is, I close it up. It's still showing here. No problem. So that's just screen casting So you're just basically screencasting a device to your laptop. And that's why I was saying, like, this is just an accessory. Like, phones and devices like these work better with other devices like this. And for those of you that didn't know you could do that, right? If you can put it on Apple, you could put it on Android. You just need to download Link to Windows and go through the steps. They're gonna give you a QR code. You put the QR code in and it'll connect, and then you just need to be on the same Wi-Fi. As long as you're on the same Wi-Fi, you can cast. This will work the same way with my Google Nest Hub. It works the same way with Netflix, where you can cast from whatever device to a smart TV. It's the same principle. So it's not like some unique thing that I'm doing. Yeah, I don't have any notifications, but I just wanted to share that with you guys because somebody had a question about that. Will it work linking to Windows? You can link pretty much any Android device. Hell, I can even do my iPad Pro. If there's an app that's linked to Windows, yes, I can take it and link it. It's not a problem. But you're seeing exactly what's on my phone screen. Move it over. Can close it. But yeah, it's like another way if somebody has your device and you already have it attached, you can just open it up and see what they're looking at. They're going through your photos, they're going through your personal whatever. You know, you got some people that try to see who's the last person you call, or who you got pictures of, or what kind of messages you got, you know, what kind of notifications. Yeah, you guys know what I'm saying. So this is another way for you to see what are they doing with my phone, and you see everything that they're doing, every single thing, everything here that this phone is showing is mirrored exactly to that screen. Okay, so I turn it on, I turn it sideways, that went sideways. It's just going to mirror every single thing. All right, and it's called Phone Companion. What's the app called? Hold up. The app is called Your Phone. So yeah, so you're looking for the link to Windows on your Play Store or on your iOS store is linked to Windows. So it's just screencasting, same way you do with a television. You're casting to another smart device. It's pretty simple. All right, guys. So hopefully this information helped you guys out. This is my last video for today. I'll probably be back after 7 days of having this device and show you guys some other things that you can do with this device. Not just this device, but other smartphones when you're using different products. And like I said, just so you can see, this is another Surface device. This is the Surface Pro 6. So yeah, I had some personal stuff there I didn't want to show, but it's reconnecting back, and you heard it, that little bell sound to let you know it's connected back. But yeah, so hopefully this information helped you guys out. Even if you just have a regular Android phone and you wanted to cast to your computer to work on something, or if somebody has your device and just see what the hell they're looking at, here you go. But all right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Peace.